Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a theme from Google Chrome and get back to the default look. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to open the menu. This menu gives you access to all of Chrome's important settings and features. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize nearly every aspect of your browser, from privacy controls to visual appearance. The settings page is your hub for personalizing how Chrome looks and functions. Once you're in settings, you'll notice a navigation panel on the left side of the screen. Here, look for and click on Appearance. This section specifically controls how your browser looks, including themes, fonts, and color schemes. It's where you'll manage all the visual elements of your Chrome experience. Next, within the Appearance section, you'll see an option labeled Theme. Click on it to access your theme settings. This is where Chrome stores information about any custom themes you've applied, whether they're colorful designs, dark modes, or other visual modifications you've downloaded from the Chrome Web Store. After clicking on Theme, a new panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel displays all the appearance-related options available to you. At the top of this panel, you'll find an option called Device. Click on this device option to proceed. This setting allows Chrome to sync with your operating system's color preferences. Now you'll see an option that says Follow Device Colors with a toggle button right beside it. This is the key to removing your custom theme and returning to Chrome's default appearance. Click the toggle button to turn this feature on. By enabling this option, you're telling Chrome to discard any custom themes and instead match the color scheme of your computer's operating system. And that's it. You've successfully removed your custom theme from Google Chrome, and your browser now follows your device's default color settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.